Does your mind have a shape? Have you ever thought about it? What does a shape mean? Shape means limitation by the space. Any object which is having a shape is limited by the space. Otherwise, it cannot have a shape of its own. Suppose you are seeing an object. The mind takes the form of the object being ant. Suppose you are seeing an ant. The mind takes the form of the ant. It becomes small. Then you are seeing a mountain. The mind takes the form of the mountain and becomes big. And you are seeing the sky, unlimited sky. The mind takes the form of the sky. It becomes unlimited, that means. So the mind doesn't have a shape of its own like the water and the air. Suppose you see a pot, okay? Where is the pot? The pot, we say it's there, but really is the pot there? We'll get into that. The pot, to recognize the pot, a pot thought has to appear in your mind. Without the pot thought, you cannot recognize the pot, you cannot know the pot. Without the knowledge of the pot, you can't experience the pot. So where is the pot? It's in our mind. It's in our mind. Then why do we say the pot is there? Because we identify ourselves with this grass body, which is also a thought in the mind, like the pot. So long as you identify with the physical body, you are here and the pot is there. The day you start identifying with your mind, both the body and the pot, they are in me, in my mind. Let us go a step further. Suppose we identify our true nature, the consciousness, the mind, the body, the part, everything is an appearance in me, the consciousness. The consciousness is only one. It is non-dual. It doesn't have any limitation. The space, when you say only one, means it is not having any limitation by space or time or object. A space or time or object itself is an appearance in the consciousness. Right? So understand this very clearly. That is what we are saying, that Brahman, our true nature, is non-dual. That is the meaning of that. How do we identify? Accordingly, we transact and we understand. This is what I want to make it clear. Thank you.